guards this house?
No one.
Hey! Look at this!
What the hell is that?
Looks like a wild boar or something.
Let's move on, shall we?
You check that one, I'll look in this one.
In this place.
Look at this. Any of this mean anything to you?
You are not alone.
Who's there?
You are not welcome. You are not leaving.
I opened the door. Where did you put the body? Where are your children?
We need to get out of here.
We're not leaving here without go. What the hell happened here?